Hey, this is Artfleur. Let's jump straight into it. Let me just tell you that this goes live today, and I have a huge bonus to it. It's worth $1,025,000, and I have a huge discount to it as well. So all the information is in the description. If you want to pick it up, use the first link in the description. You have the discount code as well and the list of bonuses. But let's check out the sales page first. FunnelBuddy AI, as you can see, it says the award-winning sales funnel builder has finally arrived, presenting the world's fastest and easiest automated funnel builder that creates mind-blowing sales funnels, membership portals, websites, course sites, store funnels, workflows, landing pages, and much more for any offer in any niche for a low one-time price. Say goodbye to complicated funnel creation apps forever. So obviously, this is a competitor to, for example, ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is $300 per month. I personally use Convertri, but Convertri is $100 per month, so I will definitely start using this for at least some pages because this is a low one-time price. Let's start scrolling. So as you can see, obviously you're going to be spending thousands of dollars per month if you are hiring someone else to do your funnels for you or your websites for you, etc. Obviously, we have the prices right here. ClickFunnels can be up to almost $2,000 per year. Kajabi almost $4,000 per year. Lead pages $1,200, etc. Okay, so if you've ever paid for these, you know how expensive these are. So this is a cheaper alternative. Let's continue scrolling. So obviously you can do funnels, you can do websites, you can do single pages. Obviously you can use these in any niche for any kind of a product you want to sell, for affiliate marketing, etc. Or you can just sell these on Fiverr. As you can see, Fiverr sellers are charging hundreds of dollars per funnel or per website. So this is how you can also monetize it if you don't know what to promote, or you don't have a website yourself or an offer to promote. The sales page is pretty long, so I'm just skipping through it. You can definitely check it out in detail if you want to. You have some proof right here. These guys will have some bonuses. You're gonna get my bonuses on top of it, and obviously they have a money back guarantee, so there's no risk on your part. That's essentially it. This is being released by Hub and InSource apps, and you have a little FAQ right here in the end. Check it out in detail if you want to. Right now, let me show you the inside of the members area. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Super simple. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles of, for example, ClickFunnels, but again, it doesn't cost $300 per month. It costs $17 one-time price. So we have the dashboard, funnel created, and products. We have funnel management. Obviously, all your funnels will be right here, so you can edit your funnel, add a new funnel, etc. Okay, so we have the preview button, edit. You can add members for the membership sites. We have analytics, or you can just delete it. Templates, obviously all the templates will be added, so if you want to just create a funnel or a website in a few clicks, you can. You have all of these amazing looking templates, literally dozens and dozens and dozens of templates. So for example, you can use this for your clients if you are a Fiverr seller, or if you want to be a Fiverr seller. Product management, again, pretty simple and straightforward, just like the funnel management. Settings, obviously here you're going to be adding your email settings, payment settings, and autoresponders, because you can actually use this for emailing people as well. Tutorials, so all the video training on how to use it is included, and support desk. So again, pretty simple, straightforward. Templates are included. Again, if you want some complicated bells and whistles type of a product, go for ClickFunnels, but again, it's $300 per month. This is a cheaper alternative, definitely great if you're just starting out. Okay, so let's go through the pricing. As you can see, the cart opens today, February 22nd, at 11 a.m. Eastern. Okay, so let me show you all of the upgrades. Okay, so $17, this is what you're going to be paying for FunnelBuddy. I have a discount code in the description, so make sure to use it. And we have a few one-time offers. One-time offers are optionals, but you will be presented with these, and you can decide if these are for you or not. Okay, tip number 1, $137, number 2, $67, number 3, $297. Then we have $67.97, $167, $67.97, $47, $127, and obviously they will tell you what these are on the page. So these are, for example, an unlimited version, a done for you version, an automated version, etc. Okay, so if you want to pick up one of these, you definitely can. You'll be fine with the main version of the product alone. Again, it will be going live today, February 22nd. at 11 a.m. Eastern, and let me show you all of the bonuses I have in store for you. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna get free updates from me. You're gonna get a ton of additional full funnels. Okay, so these funnels include the main product, audio number 1, 2, and a reseller's license. Additional funnels with audio number 1, which is the pro version, and the reseller's license. Have tons of additional bonuses like 300,000 ebooks with reseller's license, 900,000 done for you videos, etc. Okay, so again, everything is in the description. The total value is $125,000, and ArtFBAI is my discount code, so make sure to add it on the checkout. If you have any questions, leave me a comment under this YouTube video, and I'll be seeing you in the next review video. Ciao.